Hey friends, welcome to the Cleveland Cottage. In today's video, we'll be touring the second floor of Miss Pat Sto's beautiful historic American Foursquare home in the final installment of this series. I'm Janet. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning friend, thank you for dropping in again. I hope you'll like and subscribe. We're starting today's tour with this beautiful historic staircase. I just recently finished filming Miss Pat's home for Christmas, and we cannot wait to show you the beautiful decor. She even decorated the staircase, so I hope you'll join us for that video series. The second floor has 3 uniquely styled bedrooms and a bathroom. Each area of the home has been lovingly decorated by Miss Pat with care and layered with a bountiful supply of antique, yard sale finds, and thrifted and gifted items, reflecting a cozy and comfortable farmhouse charm. All the wall art was hand-painted by friends, and photographs of loved ones adorn each room. There's always a new surprise and something to admire with every step you take. The first bedroom is painted in traditional yellow and adorned with red gingham patterns and quilts. Miss Pat repurposes items like this screen door and adds her unique touches to make it her own. The blue bedroom is my favorite because of the warm and calming vibe. It also has that beachy flair that I love so much. All throughout her home, Miss Pat shares her love of God with others through wall art and decor she displays with some of her favorite Bible verses. Her faith and light shines through with the love and compassion that sister and she have for all. I have so thoroughly enjoyed my time with Miss Pat and sister, and hope you have as well. If you have, please let us know in the comments. Nothing would make Miss Pat and sister happier to know that you got to know them better through this video series. I leave with a sense of love and new friendship, and am so excited to share her Christmas home. So please like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the alert for the upcoming video. Until then, find your happiness, live life, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.